Hi guys, it's a super simple recipe for you today. I wanted to share with you a simple chocolate sauce because I have a vanilla sauce recipe and I thought I need a chocolate sauce recipe as well. During the process of planning the recipe, I actually thought why not add a little bit of coffee to the chocolate sauce. So this one is with the coffee flavor, but you can leave the coffee out as I will mention in the recipe and just make it plain chocolate sauce. So let's get started with the recipe. For this simple chocolate sauce, you will need some dark chocolate. If you're not new to my channel, you know I always use the same chocolate with the same cacao percentage because I love the taste of it. Then I also have a little butter here. The butter is gonna help the sauce to stay pourable. So if you want a thicker sauce, just use a little bit less butter. And then I have my cream here. It's whipping cream, 30% fat content whipping cream. And then also I have some coffee beans here, about half a cup or 30 grams. And this is just because I want to add a little bit of coffee flavor to the chocolate sauce. But if you want to make a purely chocolate sauce, then just leave this part, so the coffee out. And then the first thing to do is to chop the chocolate. So if you would want, you could also use chocolate chips. Then you wouldn't need to do the chopping. So I just want to have smaller pieces of the chocolate, so it's not one big piece which is going to take ages to melt, but rather we have small pieces. But also don't worry about getting it super fine. It's okay to have it like this. And then I have a small pot here and I'm just gonna add in the coffee beans first. Then you can add everything in right away. Then the butter, the cream, and then also the chopped chocolate, and then to balance the sweetness, just a pinch of salt. And then you want to transfer it to heat and heat it over medium heat to melt the chocolate and the butter, so that everything becomes even, so you have a sauce. And then you can move it aside and allow it to infuse with the coffee beans. So now we're just gonna allow everything to melt and sort of become the sauce. You want to keep on heating everything until you have no graininess and until, of course, the butter has melted as well. So what I mean by the graininess, coffee beans. Yeah, just don't look at the coffee beans. So in the chocolate part, so in the liquid part, there should be no graininess. So now you can see there still are a little bit. Once you have none of that graininess, the chocolate has melted completely and everything has combined, and that's the point when you can remove it all from heat. So now we are almost there. As you can see, it's really getting smoother and almost no grains left, or none of that graininess left. Now I've turned off the heat. I don't want to overheat the sauce, and I'm just gonna give it a little more time. Also, if you're using coffee beans, then make sure it's not actually the coffee bean that is there, but it's actually the chocolate. So now you can see it's really looking good, really nice and smooth. So the little bits that can be the chocolate, the coffee bean. So some bits that were broken. So you have to look at the structure of the sauce itself. As you can see, now it's really, really nice and smooth. So I'm gonna remove it from heat and allow it to cool completely in the pot before I strain it into a glass container and get rid of the coffee beans. So you just want to keep the coffee beans in there for the time it's cooling, because that time it will also infuse the chocolate sauce with the coffee flavor. So this is a really simple basic chocolate sauce recipe. You can choose the chocolate that you like. You can add the coffee to it. You can also add a little bit chili if you like. Then you should use dry powdered chili, or you can also add cinnamon, vanilla, any other flavors that you think would work with the chocolate. And you can also use the chocolate that you enjoy eating, so that it will taste exactly like the chocolate. You can serve this chocolate sauce on top of some ice cream, on top of some berries, on top of some pancakes, breakfast pancakes, on cheesecake. There's so many ways you can serve it, or so many things you can serve it with, that I think it's a great basic recipe. You can use it for so many things. So I hope you're gonna like it, and if you do, don't forget that thumbs up for support, and also leave me a comment and let me know what you're gonna eat this chocolate sauce with. If you're new here, then you can subscribe right now, and if you tap the bell, you won't miss any of my new recipes. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye until next time.